Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to join a class on Google Classroom from your device. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Classroom application, and then after that, if we are already here in the first page of the Google Classroom, please take a look on this bottom. Here there is a plus button. You can choose this. So there will be two choices, either you want to join or create a class. But if you are the beginner or the first timer using this Google Classroom, there will be an option directly on the first page. There is a create class or join class. Since you want to join, please click join, and then there will be a class code that you need to put here. So make sure that you already get a class code from your teacher. So here I already have a class code from my teacher, and then just click paste here, and then after you finish putting the code, please click join, and then hold on until it will generate it into the classes, and now you are already being a participant of the classes of your teacher. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.